Hi Acers, this is me, Ace, and for today, we will be reviewing the products of Alejo's Best. So we will try out the cacao with glutamate tea. Nilagay ko yung tea bag sa baso ko with hot water. Sobrang bango ng tea. It has a light taste of cocoa and a very subtle taste of tea. Although I am more inclined sa pure cocoa, but I appreciate this tea.
Okay, that was kinda unique. So guys, for someone who loves chocolate and tea, now this one is for you because it has the taste ng sikwate and also the tinge taste ng tea, which makes it surprisingly very good na combination. Para sa 10 tea bags lang guys, worth 150 pesos na siya. And you get to enjoy the best of both worlds ng chocolate at ng tea. So guys, what are you waiting for? Try it out yourselves. Order na.
And of course, ipapasok din namin yung review for the cacao vinegar. So, try namin siya sa pang sausaw.
Yes, so actually meron kaming chicharong bulaklak sa bahay. So I will be using this one if it is suitable sa mga pampulutan. We can also try it sa mga like fish dishes.
Mga pritong isda, di ba?
Pinirito.
Oo, vinegar plus toyo plus sili.
Perfect.
Very yummy. Yes.
So all in all, it's good. I guess it needs more time on the shelves to be fermented to get that really distinct flavor of the cacao vinegar going and to have that really nice kick in it.
Hi, so susubukan natin tong cacao vinegar. I am really curious kung meron siyang aftertaste ng cacao. So let's find out. Subukan ko siya dito sa favorite kong pipino. Yung amoy niya para siyang parang tuba. Ngayon ko lang siya ulit ginamit after like 3 weeks. And I really like yung pagkaasim niya and it has a distinct taste. And anyway, hindi mo malalasahan yung cacao na parang chocolate flavored. Kasi I really thought na meron siyang aftertaste of cacao. Pero wala naman. I really like it. And for me, I really want na much stronger yung vinegar. Pwede ko siyang i-store muna for a longer time para mas maasim siya and mas malasahan ko yung distinct flavor niya. And of course, last but not the least, ang kanilang cacao tablea.
So we all know na ang cacao tablea is one that we put doon sa ating either hot chocolate or
Ito yung hinahalo natin sa champorado natin, which is the all-time favorite Filipino snack.
yeah, it doesn't matter if bata or matanda, every Pinoy loves champorado.
And i-insert namin yung review namin or review ni PJ for the cacao tablea.
Sipping of the cacao or sikwate. That hits the spot. Without that gritty texture, I don't have to do the extra step of filtering this out maybe with a coffee filter to get off that gritty texture ng tablea. I really love their tablea. So you guys try it out.
So yun guys, and thank you for watching.